we are starting with derivatives of implicit functions. So these are the problems we'll be doing now. Question number 1 is x square plus y square is 4xy. Then we have second question, third question, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. All these are examples of implicit functions. Exam point of view, they are very important. So normally all these are examination questions only. We'll be solving one by one. First of all, implicit functions means what? Function with x and y both as variable is called as implicit function. If I tell you first one, if I start with first, your question is x square plus y square equals to 4xy. ये आपका क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है. वी स्टार्ट रेगुलर, आपको इसका रेट फाइंड आउट करना है. तो वी रेट ये यहाँ पे डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. कीप दिस इन माइंड, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. अब डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स का मतलब ही dy by dx नहीं होता है. दिस इज नॉट दिस, ये हमेशा ऐसा नहीं होता है. बच्चे दे गेट कंफ्यूज. डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स लिखे तो dy by dx लिखते हैं, वैसा नहीं होता है. डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x means what? It is only d by dx. So this means what? It is d by dx of x square plus d by dx of y square equals to d by dx of 4xy. So this is called as differentiate with respect to x. That means only d by dx. अब d by dx, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x स्क्वायर क्या होता है? 2x ही होता है. अब डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y स्क्वायर, अब इम्प्लिसिट का इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट क्या है? y स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव विल बी 2y into it will be chain rule. So 2y into it is dy by dx. ये थोड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप है, ठीक है. सो याद रखना, इन केस ऑफ इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन फॉर्मूलाज विल बी अप्लाइड और साथ में उसका चेन रूल लेना है. फॉर एग्जांपल sin y का डेरिवेटिव विल बी cos y into dy by dx. log y 1 by y dy by dx. tan y sec square y dy by dx. So again you have to put into this one. Now after this, अब यहां पर बेटा we want derivative of 4 into x into y. So 4 is constant, 4 को बाहर रखो. Remaining is derivative of x into y. इतना ही बचेगा यहां पर. So this means it is 2x plus 2y dy by dx. यहां पे 4 is constant. अभी डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x into y में आपको यहां पर u into v रूल करना पड़ेगा. What is that u into v rule? It is u x into derivative of v. y का डेरिवेटिव is always dy by dx. So it is u derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Say this, u into v rule. X into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x. So now it is 2x plus 2y dy by dx. Here it is 4 into x dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is always 1. So this was u into v rule. So now we get 2x plus 2y dy by dx equals to we get 4x dy by dx plus 4y. 4 ब्रैकेट से we have multiplied बेटा. What we do is इसके बाद क्या करो, take dy by dx to one side. तो dy by dx to one side मतलब this comes to left hand side यहां पर. तो this is 2y dy by dx minus 4x dy by dx. यहां पर it is 4y and it is minus 2x. So this comes to that side. dy by dx ये था, इसको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेके आ गया. 2x वहां पे चला गया. After this dy by dx will be common. ये दोनों में से dy by dx हमने कॉमन लिया. After taking common, ब्रैकेट में क्या बचेगा? It is 2y minus 4x. ये आपको ब्रैकेट बच गया. राइट हैंड साइड में आपको बचेगा 4y minus 2x. ठीक है, दिस इज एज इट इज, ये ऐसी था. लास्ट स्टेप, dy by dx will be now 4y minus 2x upon 2y minus 4x. वहां पे आके डिवाइड हो गया. मैक्सिमम व्हाट वी कैन डू इज वी कैन टेक 2 कॉमन. आपने 2 कॉमन लिया, कॉमन लो तो यहां पे क्या बचेगा? 2y minus x हो जाएगा. अगेन 2 कॉमन, सो व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग? इट इज y minus 2x. Finally 2 gets cancelled. So we say dy by dx will be 2y minus x upon y minus 2x. And this is your final step. And that is your solution of first problem. ठीक है. So what we have done, dy by dx x square plus y square equals to 4xy का we have done this calculation. Now we'll be starting with beta question number second. So what is the question number second? Your question number second is sin y is log of x plus y. I'll rub this now. Now question number second is, if I write here second one, it is sin y and it is log of x plus y. Sin y is log of x plus y. We write here as usual differentiate with respect to x. What I said? Differentiate with respect to x. So this means it is d by dx of what? Sin y. It is d by dx of what? Log of x plus y. So differentiate with respect to x means only d by dx. So d by dx of sin y. Just now we said sin y ka derivative will be cos y into dy by dx. Very important step. Sin y. If it is sin x, it is only cos x. If it is sin y, uska cos x lena hai into dy by dx. आगे यहाँ पर derivative of log x plus y, it is 1 upon x plus y into it is derivative of x plus y. So log x plus y ka, what I wrote, 1 upon x plus y into derivative of x plus y. So that means 1 upon x plus y into again, अब यहाँ पर we have bracket, बीच में plus है. So this means derivative of x plus derivative of y. So derivative of x will be 1 plus it is dy by dx. LHS we got as cos y into dy by dx. यहाँ पर ध्यान से. Now what I do is I just multiply this bracket. This into this करो आप. तो this into 1, तो 1 upon x plus y आ जाएगा. Plus फिर से this into this, तो 1 upon x plus y into dy by dx. So this into 1 plus this into this. LHS as it is cos y and it is dy by dx. Now what I do is, आपको क्या बताया मैं, dy by dx बेटा एक साथ में ले लो, तो इसको इधर लेना है. So this is already cos y dy by dx minus 1 upon x plus y dy by dx. ये इसको यहाँ पे ले लिया. अब यहाँ पे remaining is only 1 upon x plus y. सिर्फ आपको यही बचेगा. Regular step. What is common? dy by dx. आपको common निकालना है. So if I take dy by dx as common, अब bracket में I'll write cos y minus 1 upon x plus y. And this is as it is 1 upon x plus y ही बचेगा यहाँ. ठीक है, dy by dx आपने common लिया. Common लेने के बाद cos y है और minus 1 upon x plus y. Again taking LCM here, LCM मतलब आपको bracket multiply करना है. तो this is x plus y into cos y हो जाएगा. Minus 1 upon x plus y. And here it is 1 upon x plus y. ये step तक आप आ गए. Now what I do is, finally we want dy by dx बेटा, यही आपको चाहिए. Cross multiply कर दो, ये उधर जाएगा. So that is x plus y upon, denominator पहले से x plus y है और ये सारा यहां पर आ गया. तो it is x plus y into cos y and it is minus of 1. Bracket complete. Last step, we can just cut these two, cancel these two. Cancel कर लो. अब बचा क्या? So dy by dx remaining is 1 upon x plus y into next bracket is cos y minus 1. So this is your solution for question number second. So first it was x square plus y square equals to 4xy we did. Second is you can say sin y equals to log of x plus y. Now again we'll be doing question number third now. So that question number third, again if I write here third and first are almost the same. Question number third is x square plus y square plus xy minus y equals to 0. This is your question number third. Regular step will be differentiate with respect to x. So d by dx of x square, d by dx of y square, d by dx of xy and dy by dx is dt of 0 will be 0 only. You can say here 0 or directly you can say dt of 0 is you are getting as 0. The first step is differentiating with respect to x, d by dx of first, second, third, fourth and dt of 0 is 0. So that's why we wrote here 0. Dt of x square, obviously 2x. Dt of y square, 2y into dy by dx. That is done. Up we got dt of x into y. So this is obviously u into v. Question number 1 may we read the same. So what is u into v? We say first it is plus, it is x into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x. Directly I can say 1 u into v. First it is x into derivative of y is dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1 minus it is dy by dx and here it is 0. So what I do is this is 2x plus 2y dy by dx plus x dy by dx plus y minus dy by dx is 0. ठीक है? Now out of this, as usual beta, regular step, we have to take dy by dx common together. So dy by dx में we have this, we have this, we have this. So let this be 2y dy by dx plus x dy by dx minus dy by dx. सबको एक साथ में तो बाकी उधर क्या उधर हो गया माइनस 2x एंड माइनस, तो ये दोनों टर्म्स बेटा वहां पे चला गया. सेम स्टेप्स अगेन, dy by dx is common. If I take dy by dx as common, it is 2y, it is plus x and it is minus 1. ब्रैकेट में यहां पर it is as it is. I can take minus n as common, तो ये बनेगा 2x plus y. Last step, so dy by dx will be minus of 2x plus y upon, ये पूरा divide, so it is 2y plus x minus 1. So this is your solution for question number 3rd. But again if I tell you your question number 3rd, बेटा थोड़ा ध्यान से देखना, 3rd में it is x square at it is given to you, तो एक step और बढ़ेगा, at what is given 1, 2. तो this is called as general solution, इसको हम लोग general solution बोलते हैं, और at point there that is particular solution. So what we do here, last step we say dy by dx at 1, 2. This means what, ये आंसर में x will be replaced by 1, y is 2, मतलब माइनस साइन बाहर है, x is 1 and y is 2 upon 2 into 2 plus 1 and minus 1. So x is, I said as 1, y is 2, so 2 into 2. Now further, this 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. This minus as it is, 2 ones are 2 plus 2, that is 4. 2 into 2 again, that is 4. The final answer is minus 1. So this is called as particular solution. तो अगर पॉइंट दिया रहेगा ना आपको at the point, बस यहां तक डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट करना है और सिर्फ आपको फिर वैल्यूज पुट अप करना है, जो भी वैल्यूज आपको दिया रहेगा at 1, 2, तो x के लिए 1 पुट अप किया आपने और y के लिए 2. So that is your answer. Now we'll be doing here question number 4 now. Question number 4 is important, examination point of view. थोड़ा ध्यान से करना उसको. Normally MSBT में महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस में एटलीस्ट 3-4 बार आ चुका है, वो पूछा है. सो वी कैन सी अ स्टार मार्क ऑन दिस. इसको थोड़ा स्टार मार्क करते हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये 4th वाला इंपॉर्टेंट है और ये 5th वाला मतलब इंपॉर्टेंट, मतलब थोड़ा ज्यादा बार एग्जाम में पूछता हुआ. नाउ इफ आई टेल यू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th में व्हाट इज गिवन, x raised to y is e raised to x minus y. ठीक है, इट इज गिवन, प्रूव दैट, आपको प्रूव करना है. क्या प्रूव करना है, dy by dx इज दिस. बेटा ये आपको आंसर आना चाहिए. ठीक है, फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट x raised to y का डेरिवेटिव डायरेक्टली नहीं आता है. x raised to x भी रहेगा, y raised to y का नहीं आता है. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप विल बी टेकिंग log बोथ द साइड्स. सो इफ आई टेल यू आर टेकिंग log, so we say log of x raised to y will be log of e raised to x minus y. Log of x raised to y is log of e raised to x minus y. Further we say y log x will be x minus y log e. So properties of log, exponential property say y comes here now. So y log x will be this. Again y log x will be x minus y into log e is always 1. ध्यान से जरा, log e हमेशा 1 रहेगा. तो we say here y log x is always x minus y. What I said, y log x is x minus y. आगे y log x plus y is always x. ये minus y यहां पर आ गया. ठीक है, I have taken this to left hand side. Again, from here, I can take y as common. So y, if I take common, what I get? We say log x plus 1. और यहां पर अपना x है. Left hand side से I have taken y common ले लिया. तो y will be, we can say, x upon log x plus 1. या 1 plus log x, whatever you want. So this is y. So what I got is, simplify किया बेटा आपने, log का properties वगैरह से यहां तक आ गया. अब तक आपने डेरिवेटिव लिया नहीं है. Now we can say differentiate. So after this we say differentiate with respect to x. So now since it is y here, ये y होने की वजह से we say dy by dx is d by dx of, bracket में it is x upon log x plus 1. dy by dx is d by dx of x upon log x plus 1. Now in this case we say u by v rule. तो d by dx इसका डेरिवेटिव लेना है तो u by v. What is u by v rule? First we write v derivative of u minus u derivative of v upon it is v का square. Very important stuff. U by v rule. First is v derivative of u minus u derivative of v upon v square. So this means it is log of x plus 1. Derivative of x is always 1 minus x into, now in this case, derivative of log x, 1 by x, derivative of 1 is 0, divided by, it is log x plus 1 ka square. Now, after this, log x plus 1 into 1, तो obviously बेटा same ही रहेगा, log x plus 1 ही रहेगा, minus, this is x into 1 by x only, denominator आपको वापस सेम ही रखना है, वो सेम ही रहेगा. Next, after this, ये x भी कट हो गया, this x is getting cancelled. So what we get? We get log x plus 1, then minus 1 upon denominator is log x plus 1 का square. Finally what I get? 1 and minus 1 is also getting cancelled, ये दोनों कट हो गया. So your answer is, last step, it is log x upon it is log x plus 1 का square, and that is what is required. देखो prove that वही बोला है. What is said? Prove that equals to dy by dx equals to log x upon 1 plus log x का square, and that is what we got this answer. ठीक है, तो very important problem, एग्जाम में भी काफी बार पूछा है, ध्यान से हमारे को करना है. Now same here, on same concept, we'll be having question number 5. Again important one, exam point of view, बहुत बार पूछा हुआ question है, so we'll be taking that now. We'll be starting with question number 5, and that question is e raised to y is y raised to x. What is the question? E raised to y is y raised to x, and prove that dy by dx is log y का square upon log y minus 1. ठीक है. Now if I tell you to just solve this, concentrate here. E raised to y is y raised to x. Same steps beta. First step will be taking log both the sides. So it is log of e raised to y. It will be log of y raised to x. Very first step. Next step, exponential property say it is y log e. It is x log y. Again log e is 1. It is x log y. Or we get y as x into log y. So that is what we are getting up to this point. Okay. Now after this, after getting this, just put down this as number 1 beta. Okay. Now we start with differentiation. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is derivative of x into log y. X into log y. Ab u into v. What is u into v rule? X into derivative of log y plus log y into derivative of x. What is u into v? U derivative of v plus v derivative of u. So this means dy by dx equals to x into, important is derivative of log y. Derivative of log y will be getting 1 by y into dy by dx. Important step. derivative of log y is 1 by y dy by dx plus log y as it is and derivative of x is 1. This is 1, derivative of x is 1. Same dy by dx will be x upon y dy by dx and here it is plus log of y. Next step, get dy by dx to one side. इसको इधर, तो ये dy by dx है माइनस x by y dy by dx. अब यहां पे बचेगा सिर्फ log of y. Same we can say dy by dx is common. Almost same steps. dy by dx कॉमन लिया तो बचेगा क्या? 1 minus x upon y. And here it is log y as it is. So now dy by dx, this one if I take LCM it is y minus x upon y and this is log of y as it is. So further we can say dy by dx is cross multiply कर दो ये उधर तो y into log of y divided by y minus x. dy by dx what I got? Y into log y upon y minus x. Now if you say ये बेटा डेरिवेटिव का you got this answer but see the proof. देखो proof क्या पूछा है? Prove that what is asked dy by dx equals to क्या बोला है? log y का ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर अपॉन log y माइनस 1. तो फिलहाल ये यहां पर सेम आंसर नहीं है आपको. अब सेम आंसर नहीं है, आपको सेम लाना है, आपको चेक करना है हाउ वी गेट इट. तो थोड़ा सा हम लोग थोड़ा पीछे जाते हैं. फ्रॉम हियर आप चेक करो थोड़ा ध्यान से. क्वेश्चन इक्वेशन नंबर 1 ठीक है. सो व्हाट आई कैन डू इज आई कैन पुट y. आपको y के जगह पे लिखना है x log y. सो फ्रॉम 1 वी कैन से. तो व्हाट आई डू इज ये जो पहले वाला y है ना y आई कैन से x इंटू log y. ठीक है. सो नाउ आफ्टर दिस y के लिए x log y रख दिया. आगे का log y अपनी जगह पर रहेगा. अगेन y is x log y and it is minus x. You can say from 1. तो आपने नंबर 1 से ये पुटअप किया है. y वैल्यू वी आर टेकन एज x log y. तो y के लिए हम लोगों ने x log y रखा है यहां पर. ठीक है. सो दैट मीन्स dy by dx इक्वल्स टू. अब आप चेक करो यहां पर x है. इज इट log y का ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर? तो इट इज x इंटू log y का स्क्वायर. अब डिनोमिनेटर में चला इसे x कॉमन. इफ आई टेक x कॉमन तो ब्रैकेट में आपको बचेगा log y माइनस 1. इज इट x गेट्स कैंसिल? दोनों x कट हो गए. अब चेक करो इज इट योर रिक्वायर्ड आंसर? सो वी गॉट dy by dx इक्वल्स टू log y bracket square upon log y minus 1. So again this was important. If I tell you exam point of view, very important. It comes for nearly 4 marks का आपका question आएगा. So now we start with question number 6. I'll drop this one. So now question number 6 is, it is tan inverse x square minus y square upon x square plus y square is given as a. ये आपको क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ यहां पर. tan inverse of x square minus y square upon x square plus y square is a and prove that dy by dx is this you need to prove. The first steps here, starting का step बेटा, we see x square, it is x square minus y square upon x square plus y square will be tan of a. This goes to that side. X square minus y square upon x square plus y square is tan of a. So we can see from here directly you can say here x square minus y square equals to tan a into x square plus y square. So this is multiplied over there. वहां पर आपने multiply किया. Now if I write here differentiate with respect to x. What I said, differentiate with respect to x means what? Derivative of x square minus y square. Tan a is constant. Derivative of x square plus y square. What I did? Derivative of x square minus y square. Tan a is constant. Derivative of x square plus y square. अब derivative of x square minus y square. x square का derivative आएगा 2x minus y square का derivative is 2y dy by dx. यहां पर tan a is constant, x square का अगर डेरिवेटिव is 2x वाई स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव आएगा 2y dy by dx. So what we do is same steps बेटा, taking dy by dx to one side. मतलब क्या है 2x minus 2y dy by dx. यहां पर if I able to multiply this, ये आएगा 2x into tan a, इधर आएगा 2y tan a and dy by dx. तो dy by dx tan a multiply, दोनों ब्रैकेट multiply. Get dy by dx terms to one side. So what we can do is we can say take this to this side or take this to this side. It's up to you. तो मैं क्या करता हूं यहां पर I'm taking this to this side and this to this side. मतलब this is 2x, इसको इधर लिया तो minus 2x tan a आ जाएगा. यहां पर ऑलरेडी आपके पास 2y tan a dy by dx है, इसको उधर लेके गया तो दिस विल बी प्लस 2y dy by dx. तो इसको वहां पे ले लिया, ये यहां पर आ गया. फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन से 2x एज कॉमन. तो 2x आपने कॉमन लिखा है, ब्रैकेट में आएगा 1 माइनस tan. ठीक है, 2x कॉमन 1 माइनस tan. यहां से आपको कॉमन निकलेगा dy by dx कॉमन है, dy by dx कॉमन है और 2y भी कॉमन है, 2y इज ऑल्सो कॉमन. अब ब्रैकेट में आपको बचेगा tan a प्लस 1. ठीक है, dy by dx आपने कॉमन लिया, दोनों में dy by dx है, 2y भी है तो tan a प्लस 1. सो नाउ 2x इंटू 1 माइनस tan a, ये पूरा डिवाइड हो जाएगा 2y इंटू tan a प्लस 1 एंड दिस इज योर dy by dx. आउट ऑफ दिस 2 gets cancelled, तो वी कैन से dy by dx इज x इंटू 1 माइनस tan a, और नीचे इसको एडजस्ट करता हूं, y लिख देता हूं पहले, और ये 1 प्लस tan a एंड सी दिस वन. अब प्रूफ देखो, दिस इज योर रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. ठीक है, तो दिस इज अगेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. नाउ लास्ट वन फॉर टुडे, दैट इज डेरिवेटिव्स ऑफ इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन, दैट इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद दैट. सो नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज, इट इज x इंटू साइन y प्लस y इंटू साइन x इक्वल्स टू 0. जो भी सेम फाइंड dy by dx ही आपको करना है. तो हमेशा वाला स्टेप, डिफरेंशिएट with respect to x. So that means d by dx of x sin y, d by dx of y sin x. dt of 0 is 0. I can write directly as 0. अब d by dx of x sin y, u into v. तो v से x into derivative of sin y plus sin y into derivative of x. So this is for first one. U into v for first part. Second again, u into v for second, that is y d by dx of sin x plus sin x into derivative of y, and here it is 0. So now x into derivative of sin y is obviously cos y and dy by dx plus sin y, derivative of x is 1, so this bracket is over, plus y into derivative of sin x is cos x plus it is sin x into dy by dx. It is 0. Getting dy by dx to one side. Dy by dx is this one is, and this one is your dy by dx. So bring together x cos y dy by dx plus sin x dy by dx. Get this to RHS. So it is minus sin y and minus y cos x. So these two on right hand side. From here dy by dx is common. dy by dx common लिया तो बचा क्या, x cos y plus sin x. From here minus sin is common. तो minus sin if I take common, your bracket will be sin y plus y cos x. Last step, we say dy by dx equals to minus of sin y plus y cos x upon x cos y plus sin of x. So this is your answer for question number 7. So we have done all these questions. Normally these are examination questions. So if I tell you if you are doing this one, तो normally implicit functions का examination point of view, you will be getting at least one question on this topic. So this was all about derivatives of implicit functions. Okay? Thanks a lot. Thank you.